Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us big clues right here. We're not done because the market built more liquidity here. Be careful, but yet it was beautiful. I will show you some key liquidity areas for the big moves. Let's take a look at today's video. But before that, intraday analysis, very straightforward day today, 11:45. Pink algorithm. Now, I reminded you, very importantly, you have to learn to not trade if you do not see any structure. And in this case, we were just chopping up a big part of the day here. But yet, near the end, once we identified the pink algorithm, once we were able to see this, and I mentioned this specifically because we started retesting that QQQ 20-day moving average. And I talked about that in yesterday's video. You have to watch yesterday's video later after this, so you have a better understanding when you chain up all the day's activities and you're able to put in play a proper setup once you understand the context from one day to another. Absolutely beautiful trade here. Now I have my 100%. In this case, it went to 250 at this point. But yeah, you see it went even more. Now, my strikes were already in the money. I could have just kept the runner through, knowing that this is the liquidity that should be quite shielded. But so be it. I stopped trading once we started retesting this blue algorithm here. And you see the beautiful breakout from that blue algorithm, isn't it? Now, initially from the magenta, but we broke out there from the orange as well. So this is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful trade right there. All because you understood how to be waiting for structure and not over trading. I talked about the engulfing candles here. Just take a look for yourself once we retested the 20-day moving average. Absolutely beautiful trade right there. Now, if you have not watched yesterday's video, please do that. And I've always been talking about this. And I've shown you every single day 100% trade. Now, the point of that is to remind you of that certain expectation you have to set. You know that there are beautiful trades every single day, and you know what it takes for you to learn to be patient. You know what it takes for you to learn to wait, and you will see the setup. So what I'm trying to show you is that one trade a day is more than enough. This is a lifetime skill. You can learn this skill, stack up this skill, improve every single day. You will only get better every single day. To learn to find profits and charts, you need to know what you're doing. Set your parameters around your learning. You know why you're learning this. You know what you're learning. You can't set realistic expectations on